So here's how entrepreneurs are legally running an EU business with 0% corporation tax. If you want an EU company that's fast, simple, and online, it gives you a legal way of running a business with 0% corporation tax, Estonia should be on your shortlist. So let's clear up the first biggest myth. Estonia's e-residency is not residency, it's not a visa, it's not tax status, it's not the right to live in the EU. Instead, it's a government-issued digital ID that lets you run an EU company remotely. Effectively, it operates in the cloud. So treat it as a business tool. So how do you actually live in Estonia if you decide to plant roots? First, the digital nomad visa. If you earn more than 4,500 net per month working remotely for clients or an employer outside Estonia, you can stay for 1 year. It's perfect if you want to test Estonia as a long-term base without restructuring your income. Second, the startup visa. If you're building something innovative and scalable, Estonia makes it surprisingly efficient for non-EU founders to relocate. Many tech teams use this as a pathway to access EU talent, capital, and Schengen mobility. Third, a temporary residence permit. This is the standard path for employment, running a business, studying, or joining a family. Permits are granted for 6 months to 5 years, and after 5 years of continuous residence, you can apply for long-term residence, effectively Estonia's permanent residency. Now, here's the part most founders care about. It's taxes. Estonia's corporate tax system is simple. You pay 0% on retained or reinvested profits. Only when you distribute dividends does the tax apply, and that's 22%. And for founders, this encourages reinvestment and cash flow and compounding. For individuals, personal income tax is 22%. If you plan to draw a salary, build this into your structure. There's a quick rule of thumb for tax residency. If you spend more than 183 days in Estonia out of a 12-month period, you're likely tax resident there. E-residency alone that doesn't change your tax status. Track your days and get cross-border advice before triggering a new residency. Your path to permanence is straightforward. 5 years of temporary residence, then long-term residence if citizenship is your goal, and an Estonian language exam around B1 level. So who's this model best for? Solo founders, remote-first companies, digital businesses, and anyone who wants to open an EU footprint without heavy admin. Estonia is fast, efficient, and it's built for founders who want clarity rather than complexity. And most common mistakes, believing e-residency gives you the right to live in Estonia, forgetting the 183-day rule, and distributing profits without understanding the 22/78 calculation, all avoidable with good planning. If you want more breakdowns like this and guidance on building global structures, follow me for more.